Good morning guys. So let's have breakfast for today's video. So meron tayo ngayon, yung food ko guys is 2 eggs, then rice, ayan. Tapos I have coffee. Masarap kasi mag-coffee pasensya kayo guys sa aking coffee. And then meron akong sabaw dito gabi. So kain tayo guys dahil ako nagugutom. So how are you everyone? I pray that everyone is doing well. So favorite ko talaga guys ang egg since childhood. So masarap, merong sabaw. Typical Filipino food lang to guys. Kain. Pag kumakain ako guys, masarap yung sunny side up. Favorite ko siyang kaluto. Ang kain natin guys is kanang lamig. Hindi na ako nag-fried rice. Kasi kailangan ko lang maligo. Meron kasing birthday party mamaya. The coffee is good. Kagabi guys, ulam namin was pork linaga. Buti na lang yung sabaw, hindi pa siya napanis. Masarap siya. Two eggs is enough. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.